SMC. And instead of having to buy it from the guy out there, right? PRC or whatever you call it.
It's good.
At his market. And then they mark it up, but they're still doing business.
So it's like,
It's a lot. It's a third of it. Maybe
I
more.
was doing that all week on my pancake.
pancakes on so basically they're using glass, 30% of the glass.
They're just
Decrease
making,
the
they're
thickness.
just making SMC.
Yeah.
You can see I only pour very little resin. You already see the resin already penetrate on the surface.
Nobody uses this under vacuum, right?
You can do infusion with this, okay? But infusion, that will depend on lamination structure. I will do more design where you suck it out the air. Yeah, so that way, you know, we have people use on that application. So,
Let the vacuum keep it from expanding.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Unless you know, right, you got to time it right, then you let the vacuum go and then it comes out. But if glass to resin is an important factor, you can't over-laminate it, then infusion is probably good.
Only problem with fusion, you don't get perfection a lot of times because you don't have the right subject.
Right, you have to make sure. That's why it's such a slow process.
you can see I use so little resin. This thing I can push real hard and get all the air out. I think I still use a little bit too much resin because
I'm waiting for something magical to happen.
Will.
It will?
Eventually.
Have you seen this before?
Not laminated. I mean, I've seen
Finished product.
finished product.
So what's gonna happen now? It's gonna basically rise once it starts curing.
And all those.
That's the direction, and it's just going to stand out.
yeah, we just because I do the second one now. Okay. This one, I do this way from the top penetrate.
My dad was really good building factories with this stuff. This might have worked. But then I think it's done. Yeah, I told you it wasn't going to stick around very long.
The only issue, the only you have to remember is so this module's naturally modules so that's what it's
Significantly less wood.
Okay, for example, if you want to seal this edge, typical they put a bar here. So you seal it. Then the other one, you can do this way, any way you want it. Yeah.
If it's encapsulated in a mixture of limestone, ATH, and resin, then it's already gonna self-encapsulate itself, right?
No. You don't know how they distribute. If it's that critical, you wanna encapsulate it with a floating. They use resin and the metal fiber, make a bundle out of it. You just seal the edge.
Okay. So then this can't. So what you're saying is that this cannot be dropped in a cavity mold, and theoretically we could pour our bulk molding compound around it and would not seal those edges.
But the question is, do we really need it to be sealed?
Yes.
I don't need it to be sealed. Because my mixture is going to seal itself.
You see, this one, I did more resin, so I filled up, so that doesn't happen. But this one did a lightly. See, with that, see, I do this, they stand it up.
But the question is, are they all laminated? All the verticals have to be laminated to get the strength.
Or saturated.
Yeah, it has to be saturated and laminated.
Because-
Now, I see some white. It's not fully laminated. Oh, you still have to put resin.
But
Yeah.
there's tape right here.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, I see.
the top you have a tape.
Okay.
Later on you can
Squeeze it
cut into the
Right,
center.
right,
Okay. This one same thing, because at the end I try to push it hard, try to get the resin out, but you cut in the center, you will see they are standing up.
So if you press this right now, put it under pressure,
Yeah.
and let go, will it open up again?
You see here?
Uh-huh.
This is the same as the metal.
I don't know if that's the same as this. That might be a little less.
You have to open it up.
Right.
Right, just to ensure that it's. I mean, it would almost be like infusion. So you infuse it, you see that it's laminated,
You can,
and you would let go of the
if we measure the resin amount you use it, and with the glass weight, the strength, everything, you will find out. Design for this
What is this one?
I don't know. I
is
think
for
this
using
probably
minimum of resin,
3 or 4.
and they give you the strength is, I will say, with conventional laminating, you probably get more than 10 times their strength there. So I introduced this to you, just we have a continued develop a new product. I just want you to know we have it. If you have a certain project,
What is
you needed something
What is the-
strong, ultra light. Like a few years back, we're talking about Disney in Shanghai,
Yes.
and they're open now.
It is
right?
open now, yeah.
And in the future, they're gonna need more and more this type of structure, this type of so this can be used on that.
How many PSIs can I put on top of it without it collapsing? While during lamination.
I can go back give you
Because what
hours
I'm
for that.
thinking of putting a base of my